Hey there, just went through a breakup and feeling a bit down? I get it, we've all been there. It's tough, but let me tell you, it's also an incredible opportunity to rediscover yourself and boost your self-esteem. Here's how. First off, give yourself some grace. Breakups are hard, and it's okay to feel sad, angry, or even confused. These emotions are natural and part of the healing process. Acknowledge your feelings without judgment. It's important to let yourself feel and process these emotions. Journaling can be a great outlet for this. It allows you to express your thoughts freely and without any filters. Write down your thoughts and emotions. This practice can help you understand your feelings better and gain clarity, and you'll start to see your feelings more clearly and manage them better. Reflection is a powerful tool for personal growth. Next, focus on self-care. This is the perfect time to pamper yourself and indulge in activities that make you feel good. Take long baths, read that book you've been putting off, or binge watch your favorite series. These small acts of self-care can make a big difference in how you feel. Or binge watch your favorite series. It's okay to take time for yourself and do things that bring you joy. Exercise is also a fantastic way to boost your mood and energy. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Join a gym, go for a run, or even try a new sport. Find an activity that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine, or even try a new sport. The key is to stay active and keep your body moving. Whatever makes you feel good, do it. Now let's talk about self-improvement. This is a great time to focus on personal growth and development. Use this time to set new goals and work towards them. Having something to strive for can give you a sense of purpose and direction. Maybe it's learning a new language, taking a cooking class, or starting a new hobby. Engaging in new activities can be both fun and rewarding. When you accomplish these new goals, you'll feel a sense of achievement. This can significantly boost your self-esteem. You'll feel a sense of achievement, and your self-esteem will naturally rise. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with positivity. Hang out with friends and family who lift you up and make you feel good about yourself. Hang out with friends and family who lift you up. Their support can be invaluable during this time. Join communities or groups that share your interests. Being part of a supportive community can provide a sense of belonging and connection. Sometimes, being around positive people can help you see the light at the end of the tunnel. Remember to practice gratitude. Every day, take a moment to reflect on the good things in your life. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. It might seem simple, but this practice can shift your focus from what you've lost. To what you still have. Gratitude can transform your perspective and help you appreciate the positives in your life. To what you still have. It's a powerful way to change your mindset and build self-esteem. Lastly, give yourself time. Healing doesn't happen overnight, and that's perfectly okay. It's a powerful way to change your mindset and build self-esteem. Lastly, give yourself time. Healing doesn't happen overnight, and that's perfectly okay. Every day is a step forward, even if it doesn't always feel like it. Be patient with yourself and trust the process, even if it doesn't always feel like it. Be patient with yourself and trust that you're on a journey to becoming a stronger, more confident you. Breakups are tough, and trust that you're on a journey to becoming a stronger, more confident you. Breakups are tough, but they're also a chance to grow and learn. Trust in the process, take care of yourself, and watch your self-esteem soar. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps us create more valuable content for you. See you in the next video. Take care and stay positive.